All right, here we have another pretty nice sized ash tree that has died and is dropping limbs. Drops them right over top of the trail that, you know, we always ride on and the kids are always over here. So another hazard being eliminated. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead, it's gonna basically be a plunge cut in here. We're gonna save this elm beside it. But anyways, we wanna keep pretty nice saw log there out of the base. So that's what we're gonna do. A lot of the top, it's gonna hit hard down here. Really have no other way to follow it with the angle it's going. This is about 15, 20 foot down right in there. We'll have to drag the top out here in a bit, but anyways, let's get this thing down. All right, we're gonna be about bar length on this, about 24 or so inches at the base there. Another good test of the Echo 620. Alright guys, at this point here, I'm not sure how, but the saw got stuck. I gave it a good pull, and then it wasn't coming, so I got out of the way there because these ash trees are very dangerous. Well, I didn't quite expect that little limb there to stop this tree, but it sure did. We'll hook the chain to it here and pull it around with the tractor. All right, hopefully we don't pull the trailer in two. All right, come on guys. You gotta give me a thumbs up for that one. You don't see this much action anywhere else. Hey, we kept this old trailer in one piece too. That's why don't ever hesitate to buy this old farm equipment, guys. It is built solid. We just snagged up a little piece of tubing too. So the reason I did it that way is, as y'all seen, we had to back in here, and it's real narrow, no place to turn around, so just logging roads all over the property. This way I figured I could get back here and then get the saw log and also load the trailer and get it out of here on one trip, the majority of it. So that's why it's like that. Let's go ahead and get this cut up, guys. All right, we're gonna get us a good 8-foot saw log from that crotch down. The rest of this is gonna be premium firewood. Good and solid, and an awesome test for that 620 Echo. Let's get right into it. Oh man. Alright. I think it's kind of easy to say bad news for my Steel 290. A little smaller saw, but this thing is a ripper. Good. Effortless on this ash, and I mean this is good 18 down to 12 to 14 inch pieces, and like butter. Thanks again, Ray, there at Mendenhall Farms, for letting me demo this saw. And again, you all be seeing this probably throughout the early springtime here on the channel. I get to demo it there for a while, so I sure appreciate that. I'm honored I get the opportunity to do that. So I'm gonna go ahead, I might put y'all on time lapse. We'll get some of this loaded, and at the same time drag that saw log out to the mill there. So I want to thank y'all for tuning in today. Leave us a comment down below. Let me hear your thoughts on this saw now that we got it in a little bit of larger wood today. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. We try to put out content like this, whether it's tractors or sawmill or firewood, roughly once a week, sometimes more. But until next time, guys, y'all take care.